feature that sets the Moore Giles theme apart from other themes on BigCommerce is the interactive swatches, which appear within product cards in product listings. As you can see here, the variants are displayed as swatches, and when each swatch is hovered, the product image updates accordingly. Trellis achieved this functionality using GraphQL in combination with native product attributes that exist within BigCommerce. When configuring the product's variations, Trellis used patterns for the swatches, which allow you to upload an image for each pattern. These are the images which are displayed as the swatches. The hover images are sourced from metafield values, which are saved to the individual variants. As you can see here, a hover image exists for each variant, and that image is displayed when the variant is hovered. That is how Trellis was able to implement swatch functionality on the Moore Giles theme using native BigCommerce functionality without requiring the use of an app.